Hey there, I'm going to show you how to draw the orange bird from Angry Birds. First of all, you start out with a banana shape, like that, for the top half of his beak. Then you do the bottom half, like that. Then you add the inside of his mouth and shade it in.
Oh my God.
And then you add the eyes, and you add the pupils, then the eyebrows, which are raised off his head, and the hair. Smaller one like that, and then you don't go all the way to the bottom, you go right about there. Then you add this, which is kind of round and fat at the top, and then come down onto the other eye, like that. And then his body starts right about there, around his eye there. You come around, like that. And then his stomach is a little tiny part that is also shaded in. Then he's got a little tail. It's a bit like a rooster tail. Kind of goes up. And you shade in his pupils. You shade in his hair. And you shade in his tail. And there you go, that's the orange bird from Angry Birds, and I'll be back next time to show you how to draw the black bird.